just want to say right off the bat that I am so sorry for the lighting. It's a cloudy, rainy day, so I have lots of lights turned on in my house, so the natural light just isn't happening, and so you get kind of these yellow tones. I apologize for that. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys what I did with these white floating shelves that I've had for like a year. I picked them up at Target. They're by the brand Threshold, and you can still find them on their decor aisles. So basically what I did is I took some Martha Stewart chalkboard paint, a stippling brush, and then I just simply lightly dabbed it in the black paint and then just sort of wiped it on here and there. If I got too much, then I wiped it off with a paper towel. But I saved a ton of money instead of taking them out, laying them out, spray painting them all black, then chalk painting them, and then distressing them. So I quickly wanted to just share these shelves with you guys because it was the easiest little DIY. I also wanted to share the sweetest gift I got from Linda Kaufman. She works with Stampin' Up. She's an independent demonstrator, and she was just an absolute sweetheart. I wanted to crochet me some hand tails, and she did, and she put it in the most adorable little handmade paper crafted purse. So I'm going to share that with you guys real quick too. Thank you so much, Linda. You're a sweetheart, and I will treasure these crocheted towels. Hand towels. My mother-in-law makes these for me as well, and I absolutely love them. They're my favorite. So I can't thank you enough. I will link her down below, her shop, and if you guys want to check her out, go ahead and do that. This is not sponsored or anything like that. I just received a very lovely gift, and I am more than willing, to share the love. So I will link Linda down below in the description box. This weekend I picked up a few things, and two of the items I picked up are right here. They're these beautiful sunflowers. I am so impressed with how far they have come with silk faux flowers. I mean, my Bella and my Riker both came up and sniffed these at different times thinking they were real. So I picked up these two sunflowers and I just put them in this tall vase I've had for years, and they're just sitting in my living room. I'll take you in my kitchen in a minute, and I'll share the other fun little goodies I picked up from Michael's as well. I also added this wood bead garland I thrifted a couple months ago to my shelf, and I think it just adds a little bit more texture, and I think it looks pretty cute. So I wanted to share that too. So over in this two-tiered tray from Walmart, I grabbed this cute little jar from Michael's, and I filled it with some sea salt. I grabbed that little oil dispenser as from Michael's as well. And then I picked up this adorable little Feed and Grain Packing Co. Fresh and Local wood box. It came in a set of 3, but they were individually priced. And this one was $19.99, but I got it 70% off, so I paid like $5 and change. So I put that there. And then recently, this weekend, I was with my mom, and I grabbed these Pioneer Woman salt and pepper shakers. I think they're so cute. And I have them perched up on a little wood sign inside the tray, so they're elevated. There's Buddy. Oh, Buddy! Time to go out to the bathroom, Buddy! And this is the last little item I found at Michael's, this jadeite kind of mint colander. It's really cute and little. It was $11.99 or $12.99, but it was 30% off, and I found it on the farmhouse aisle at Michael's. It looks really cute with the rest of my stuff, so I was tickled to find it. To share is this mirror I've had for about a year. I picked it up at Home Goods to originally go up in my hallway upstairs, but I brought it downstairs and took down the thrifted boho picture frame I used to have here, and I just set this on my console table, and I love this here so much more. It helps open up the space, so I wanted to share that too. I got this cute little greenery from Michael's too. It was 70% off, so I got it for like a couple bucks, and I stuck it in this little thrifted tin metal hanging item I got at the thrift store a couple months ago. Well guys, that's going to wrap up today's Tuesday morning rainy kind of vlog and decor around the house. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys again later this week. Love you guys. See ya. Bye!